Welcome back, little friends. So today we are going to do an alphabet review, and we're going to do letters and sounds on my cards. So these cards sometimes get a little bit sticky, and so they're hard for me to flip very quickly. And we're going to go not too fast and not too slow. This, I would say, is kind of our medium speed alphabet. Ready? A, F, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, O, M, N, O, P, P, Q. And this is just, we're doing the Q in the alphabet, but you know what? Q is never by itself. It always has a U after it. So we're going to go Q, Qu, R, S, T, T, U, V, W, X, X, Y, and Z. Good job. Next time I come back, we're going to go even faster. Good job. See you guys next time.